Hi, in this session we'll discuss about the design patterns in UI5. So first of all, the agenda here is to discuss the design patterns, the routing and the navigation, and then the tables in the UI5. So first of all, what are the design patterns? So we are talking about the responsive design in the SAP UI5 and SAP Fiori. Certainly we have come of age. Well, not yet, we are still one step behind. Though the responsive design has the kind of become a buzzword in and around the SAP, general web and the mobile development paradigm has gone further. So the Google has even realized this, its new design methodology called as the Google Material Design. So material design isn't only responsive, but it tries to replicate the experience we have while working with different materials in the real life, such as water, blocks, paper, and so on. So we simply don't need to learn to use the applications at all. Google is cleverly working on to eliminate an important factor that acts as a hindrance in adopting the new technology, and that is learning. So we already know that when we put the papers on top of one another, we can't see the overlapping content. So the Google motivates us to use the similar design experience while developing the UI and make overlapping UI that exhibit the overlapping paper experience. So we have some more time to go until we start using the material design in the SAP UI5. However, we should be happy that SAP is genuinely working on adopting the new technology design principles. So SAP has given the deep thought before relating its design patterns. At least that is what we feel. So in almost every large scale enterprise application, important feature is fetch, select, detail. That means we would generally input some data, fetch the data from the backend into the table, make the lead selection and view the details of the selected entry. So to translate this experience on the mobile device, SAP has released 4 different design patterns, which are the master detail, master detail, full screen, and the multi-flow. So although there are a few design patterns in SAP UI5 and Fiori, so these patterns they are supported by most of the enterprise business scenarios. So in addition, these design patterns form the base for building the SAP Fiori applications, and when we use these design patterns, our custom Fiori app will have a unified user experience with the standard SAP Fiori apps. So here are the 4 design patterns which we have. First one is the master detail. So this pattern is supported by split app control of SAP UI5, and it is just a master list displaying the list of the content, which allows the lead selection and its detailed view. So this is mostly the starting point in the application building. After that we have the master detail. So we can think of the shopping cart or the trip booking application. So we don't want our trip to be booked right on the first page or the payment to be made when we visit the shopping cart. We want to see a confirmation page which will show what we are buying or which flight we are booking, and also display the details of the transaction in the detail section. So this is my master detail. After that we have the full screen. So this is best suited for displaying the charts, bar graphs, and the pictorial data. Then we have the multi-flow. So SAP recommends using this pattern when application flow is too complex and we need to use all the patterns together to build the working app. Then we have the navigation and the routing. So in this we will we'll see how we can use the navigation and the routing features of SAP UI5. So the navigation and routing is essential in modern single page applications such as apps built in the SAP